Hi, my name's Sean, and today I'd like to teach you how to change a bike tire.
First, we will shift to the highest gear on the rear derailleur. This will help when removing the wheel. Next, undo the quick release and loosen it to remove the wheel. After removing the wheel, we can use our tire iron to unseat the tire bead. Use a second iron if the tire is particularly difficult. Next, inspect the wheel for damage and debris. When ready to install the tire, start by seating the first side on the rim. Add a small amount of air to the tube and insert the tube into the tire, starting with the stem. Seat the second side of the tire. Irons may be needed to finish the last part. Once the tire is fully on the rim, roll the tire back and forth to make sure there is no tube pinch. Now, you can inflate the tire, being sure to watch out for anything that doesn't look right. Once filled, you can install the wheel back on the bike. Make sure to line the chain up with the smallest cog to be in the correct gear. Test the bike to make sure it's working okay. Thanks for watching.